Hey everyone, welcome back to Ontario Gardening. Today we are using up some of our onion harvest and making a sweet onion relish. And then we're gonna water bath can it. It's a few simple ingredients. It's just a little time consuming if you don't have a slap chop. This recipe is going to make 4 pints. I'm actually gonna do half pints in jam jars because we are a smaller family and don't go through condiments as fast. So that this should yield us about 8 jam jars, half pint sizes. So in terms of onions, you are going to need 5 pounds. And if you don't make your own onions or grow your own onions, you can buy bags of 5 pounds of onions. And you are going to want to dice them up into relish sized pieces. So this is what mine looks like. Now I do have one of those processing dicer, food dicer situations where you can pick the size of how you want to dice them, and it makes things so much easier and so much faster. So that's what I did. It took about 5 minutes and I used this size. So 5 pounds of the diced onions. We're going to do a cup of maple syrup, a 1/4 cup of honey. You can also use the agave syrup if you have it. I didn't have any on hand, so I'm going to use honey. 1.5 cups of apple cider vinegar. That's at least 5% acidity to keep up our acidity in our water bath canning. And then the rest from there is just herbs and spices. I've got them all in a dish here. We have 3 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of the mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard powder, or they also call it ground mustard, a teaspoon of turmeric, and then 1/2 teaspoon each of black pepper, coriander seeds, and celery seeds. So the recipe for this is very, very simple. We're pretty much adding everything to a pot and cooking it down until those onions are translucent. So mine's probably gonna be a little bit of a tight fit here. I might pick a different pot. So go ahead and add your onions to a pot, and then everything that I just mentioned. I will go ahead and type it in the description box so you can see it, but I am going to add my 1.5 cups of the apple cider vinegar, my cup of maple syrup, my 1/4 cup of honey, and then all of the spices that I mentioned at the beginning. And now we're going to coat this very, very well before putting it on the stove to bring it to a boil. Now we are going to bring this to a full boil. And once it gets there, we'll turn it to just a little bit of a medium. And we're gonna let this sit on the stove for at least 20 minutes until all of the onions become soft and translucent. So I am going to show you what that looks like. In the meantime, I've got my boiling water canner going with some boiling. It's starting to boil the water in there. And I have got my jars nice and warm, my lids warm and ready to go once the onions are. Okay, so we're boiling now. We're gonna set a timer for 20 minutes. As you can see, when you first put the onions in, you're like, oh my gosh, this is not gonna be enough liquid. Once the onions start boiling down and everything warms up, the liquids definitely release in here, so it's all good. So we'll see you in 20 minutes. We'll can it up and then I'll show you the finished product when we're done. Okay, so here we are after 20 minutes. As you can see, the onions have become soft. It's hard to tell that they're translucent because the turmeric has stained them, but they are definitely see-through. They almost look like little specks of jello. We are good at this point to can up our relish. So at this point, we are going to ladle our hot relish into our hot jars, and we're gonna leave 1/2 inch of headspace in each. And for each jar, you're also gonna wanna take a knife to remove any air bubbles that might be trapped inside. And then you're going to want to take a cloth or a rag that is damp, and you're going to want to wipe the rim just to make sure there's no debris that's going to stop the lid from sealing. And then we go ahead and put on our lid and our band, and we're just going to do this fingertip tight. You don't want to over crank it, just fingertip tight, just enough for the lid to stay in the band, because if you turn too tight, it might have the lid siphon and won't seal properly. So we're gonna go ahead and do that for all of our jars. Okay, we're gonna lift those down into the water bath canner. And once this gets back up to a full rolling boil, we can start our processing time. If you're doing pints, it is 20 minutes. There is no guidance for half pints. Usually you cut down the time by 5 minutes, but to just play it safe, we're just doing 20 minutes across the board with this. So I am going to wait till this gets to a full boil, start my timer for 20 minutes, and I'll show you what it looks like when we're all canned up. And here is our sweet and sour onion relish, a great way to use up any onions that you might have. And it's super delicious too. The yellow flavoring is from that turmeric. I'm going to go ahead and put this here. Go ahead and pause this video so you can see the ingredients needed. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.